Okay guys, so it's the next day. I didn't have much to film yesterday after installing the radiator. So today I've got a little bit, some errands to run. I'm gonna cut some vinyl stickers and stuff, do some special stuff, and at the same time I'm gonna run to the post office and grab a package that I missed. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Along the way we're gonna see whether the radiator works or not. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I'm back home right now. I got all the stuff that I need to prepare Jane for tomorrow. So I'm going to be sticking some stickers on her tomorrow. So right now I'm just going to dive in and show you guys what I actually got. So I got some stickers made here, Nismo stickers, and also YouTube stickers, and a new Instagram sticker as well. So did it differently than the one that's on the car right now. This is a little bit reflective, so if you have your flashlight on or you take a picture of your flash, it'll kind of pop a little bit more. And I also got a couple of plates, a license plate, just acrylic license plate, and some black vinyl backing. So you might be wondering why I got the Nismo vinyl cut out in reverse. You're about to find out. So that's what the two license plates are for. I missed an opportunity to get a Nismo license plate, the one that got created for one of the Nismo festival they had a couple years ago. I'll put a picture of it in the video now. So I'm trying to make my own versions. So yeah, I'm just gonna start tackling this now. I'm gonna do one first. So I'm gonna put this at the side, not to worry about those. And then I'm gonna peel one of the backing off and mask out the area that I want the Nismo to line up with, and then I'm gonna stick it down. So yeah. So it's time to review what I've done. I think you guys can roughly already see through the top sheet of protective paper what I've done. So I'm just gonna peel it off for you guys. So that's it. I managed to kinda try and replicate the Nismo plate. I'm pretty proud of myself. I think it looks good. So yeah, probably continue this tomorrow. Me installing the Instagram stickers and the YouTube stickers on Jane. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm done with Jane right now. I'm gonna start sticking the two new stickers that I made yesterday. And yeah, I'm gonna be removing this old one first, because it has kind of shrunk a little bit, and I can see like the original size of the sticker. I'm not sure if you guys can see. So let's see if we can focus. Yeah, so if you can actually see a little bit on the sides, it's actually shrunk down, and that is the old size. So yeah, I'm gonna be removing the old sticker and the residue, and I'm gonna be sticking the new one on. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, in order to remove any sticky residue, if you use just normal lighter fluid, it can be any brand, this is just Zippo. You just put it on the cloth, put some Zippo fluid or lighter fluid on the cloth, and just go over the sticky area. It'll just come right off. I'm just gonna spray some window cleaner to clean the surface area, and then we're gonna measure up where I'm gonna line the stickers up.
Walked away, yeah, I just walked away. I didn't wanna think about how I'd have to go myself someday, myself someday.
Alright, so it got dark really quickly and a little bit of time went by as well. So yeah, my neighbor also came by to chat. That's why it's taken a little bit longer to finish sticking all the stickers, but it's done. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. So yeah, in the light, it's reflective. So if you take a picture with a flash on, it's gonna pop a lot. So this side's like that. And I also got this side done as well. So yeah, it looks really nice. So it's gonna be prepared. Sorry about that, someone's just phoning. So it's done for Saturday. All I have to do is the other Nismo sticker for the license plate and we're done. Okay, so that's that for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It might be a little bit boring and stuff, but yeah, next episode is gonna be the SG Moto Fest, and it's gonna be an exciting one. So hope to see some of you guys down there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.